So I try to correlate the scientific modern mind, reason and logic, with spiritual truth and merge the two so that it's comprehensible from either direction. No? Ordinarily, the world of science stops here, and the world of spirituality starts here, and they really don't have any dialogue. They have attempts at it called science and religion, science and consciousness. And if you listen carefully, you realize, what is the relationship between science and religion? There isn't any. What's the relationship between science and consciousness? There isn't any. Okay. But we do try to merge the two, because the modern spiritual truth is heard differently by the modern mind than it was many centuries ago, where it was taken on a faith kind of a basis, huh? Now we have the modern mind to contend with, so it's both a help and a hindrance. In a group like this, I advise skipping the mind altogether. So if I just tell you what's happening and all you have to do is notice it, you don't have to think about it, although later we'll explain it. The meaning of everything is what it is. That is its meaning. Its meaning is what it is. What's the meaning of a giraffe? The meaning of a giraffe is to be a giraffe. What did you think it meant?